Jim Parker from New Hampshire finished up today his 2-month stint at the ProShaper Extended Learning Program. He started this actually in January, but he had a few hiatuses between January and now. But all total, he's got 8 weeks invested in here. He started with some 32 Ford frame rails that he bought with the hairpin front suspension system, Coker tires and wheels, and he got a Mustang rear end. It's going to have a 4-link in the back, external 4-link. They'll be right there on the front of the axle. He'll have coilovers sitting about right there. He has all those components. What he wanted to do here at ProShaper was just to get the ball rolling. He's had a dream for 20 years of building his own hot rod, his own design. And I helped him out. Helped him build the wire form. Showed him what's needed to create a really nice lasting design. I think this really pops. He's got a beautiful grill. Of course, it needs to be trimmed and everything. What you're looking at are steel 20 gauge panels. They're all done. One's on the cowl, and this door skin here is actually done, but I had to put that bracket on to hold the transmission up, so they had to be out of there. So all these 20 gauge panels, most of them were done by I thought it was the March class, but it was the February class. And you see this little cove element there. That's going to be in the finished panels. All the panels will all be aluminum. They'll have beads on them. I explained to Jim that once we get these 20 gauge panels done, he's going to be doing that all at his house. He'll weld them together, get them all metal finished. He'll see exactly what the whole design looks like. If he doesn't like something, it can be changed very easily. All the beads can be put on with clay, modeling clay. He can play around with those, get them to work the best they can. And then all that information can be absorbed by using my flexible shape pattern method. And then the panels, which are steel, will get turned into 060 3003 aluminum. And then he'll build the inner structure for the body, which will be all aluminum hoops that'll be fabricated. And here you're looking inside the cockpit, which was all designed around Jim. It's got ample room, both for the pedals, the steering wheel, and 2 nice bucket seats, which he'll build from scratch. And put that nice little cross member in on the frame. That reinforces 2-inch square tubing that's underneath these floorboards. The floorboards are 1/8 inch aluminum, and they're dropped down 4 3/4 inches. And these aluminum panels you see above the floorboards there, those are the sill panels for holding the body all together. That's 1/4 inch aluminum. It's a fabrication, 2 pieces cut out, welded on the corner. Jim's a welder, rigger, and fabricator by trade, and he did a beautiful job. And when this is all done, it's going to be quite an outstanding looking car, I think. It's going to have an aluminum firewall. That's just a mock-up showing how it's going to be. It'll have very strong reinforcing aluminum bits or structural bits that will be behind that firewall, giving the strength to the cowl, both in the front and the trailing edge of the cowl. With the door shut, it's going to be a rear opening door. You'll have hidden hinges. Just a lot of nice little features on this car. The grill's got to be modified a little bit. We've got to taper up the top of it to match the flow for the hood. This will all be done by Jim in his shop. He's got a well-equipped shop up in New Hampshire. It'll probably take him a good amount of time to finish this up, but this is exactly what he wanted, was to get the ball rolling. And a lot of the design details and fabrication details have been worked out. He bought a Pontiac Solstice donor car. That's the little four-cylinder that's in that. You can get those with turbocharging or supercharging. They'll easily produce 250, 300 horsepower. So this will be a nice, lightweight, very nice driving, good creature comforts. It's not, really tight in the cockpit. Everything will work the way it's supposed to. And it'll be Jim's original design. And he's been super happy with it. So it's going to be fun watching his progress pictures as he does more completion of the job. He promised to send me pictures, and I'll keep them posted. And can't wait to see what he gets done with this. And if you're interested in doing something similar, check out my webpage, proshaper.com, the extended learning class. I also have the 130-hour coach building special going on right now. Just check it out. Thank you, Ray Shalene.